Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. There is a lots of questions about QtRPT and questions like how to display multiple records in our report or how to set the data set in our report or one more question is how to display the data table in our report. So in this video I will give you the solutions about that questions and problem. So let's start. Just simply open our report and add one master band. Okay, this master band is work like a data source. You just have to add your table fields like first field and just write your parameter name, data parameter 1. Okay, simply add one more, change the parameter name, data parameter 2. Let's add one more, change the name parameter. Okay, now we fill this data from our application. Save the report. Okay, first simply call the connect function to connect our report with the data set. QtRPT set ds info dataset info okay, we have to provide total record count of that data, so I just write 100 records. Now let's create some data. I use Q vector class, Q string data1. Now let's fill up some data in our vector class vectors. Integer, number of record equal to 100. Now just simply replace with here our variable integer equal idx equal to 0, less than record number, and now add the data, append, use our index variable, plus Qt with data. Okay, so data is ready. All 100 data is stored in our Q vector class, and now let's display or this data in our report. Just simply copy our previous code, but this time we do not ignore the record number, we use that. Okay, Sorry, there is a one mistake. We have to use our value function, not image function. Okay. Now simply just take our parameter name to value. We use param value equal to data record of. Okay. We have to write our parameter name here. Change with data 2 and change with data 3. Okay, so our report is also ready and functions and code is ready. Now let's run the application. Okay, there is one syntax error, so just simply solve the. Okay, now run the application. So you can see our data is successfully filled in our report. Qt1 in first column is first data, this one, second is weight, and third one is kitten. Okay, so by use of this simple way you can display the number of records, multiple records entry in your report. Okay, or also you can change the alignment or font properties or many more things. Okay, to display the data in center, just select the center. So you can see our data is successfully displayed in our report. Let's save the report. Data set and save the report. You can see successfully data displayed on our report. So by use of this simple way, you can display number of record in your report. So please drop your comment if you have any question, and thanks for watching my video. Please like my videos and subscribe the channel and share this video in your friend circle, and thank you for watching my video.